underwhelming.
Yeah.
You're gonna be next.
Good.
You're good?
I'm good.
Do you want to leave?
No, that's fine.
Sure.
Sure. I want to hear it too.
You're the teacher?
I work for Xerox. I have a document center.
Oh.
9.